I want to show you how you install a hard drive in your Synology device, and this is one of the cooler ones because it's small, it's efficient, and you know it's just an all-time great product to have in your possession if you have a small business or you just want to have a device where you can store all your good stuff, all your backups of all your files and all that stuff. So basically what you want to do is, of course, you have a hard drive. This is a 250 gigabyte hard drive from Seagate, a hard drive that Synology provided for me to do this review. So the first thing you do is that you take your Synology disk station and you take it apart, and it's really easy because you just slide it like that and you can take it apart really easy. So I'm just gonna put this one aside for now because it's basically just the cabinet side. So what you want to be doing here is you look at the inside of the hard drive of the Synology disk station right here, and you can see that there's not much to it. Basically what you're looking at right here is a fan, and you have a small motherboard on this metal plate right here, and you have the connectors for the SATA and the power cord right there. As you can see right there, you have the power for the fan, and that's basically it. As you can see, there's really not much to this. It's basically just a piece of plastic, and yeah, that's basically it. And you have this metal thing right here. You have the USB and all that stuff behind here. So basically what you do is you take your hard drive like this, you just slide it like that, and you just push a bit right there, and boom, you push until the SATA pin right there and the power cord has connected with the hard drive. So what you do is you find the screws right there, boom. Synology provide you with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, so you have 2 extra. I'm just going to put those aside for now. And what you do here is that you basically just screw these bad boys in. And boom, that's it. What do you do now? You take the rest of the Synology thingy right here, you slide it on, like that. And then you have 2 extra screws like this. Put one there, and I put one there. Get these fastened. That's and boom, like this. Boom. And that right there, that's basically it. So what do we do now? We install some software. Boom.